Good afternoon and welcome to Trade of the Day. Today's date is the 5th of June 2015. What I'm actually going to do for you guys today is do a whole weekly review of sort of what's gone on from Monday to Friday. So starting things off on the Monday, we had 3 trades kick off on the Monday. We had one Kiwi trade, that was at 71.44, that was given as an important trading zone here. All you guys should have got in on this trade. Really nice trade there, guys. Market dropping sort of over 50 pips on that particular one, but obviously if you're taking your profit at the 20 mark, then that would have been a really nice trade in there. Also, then we had a strong support at 5200 on the cable. That's the levels that we give, you know, the strong resistance levels, the strong support levels. You can see in there the terminology we use, major support. You see 5200 in there. Market again going in excess of 50 pips off that particular level there. We also had an Aussie level at 7600 given on that particular day as a major support level. You can see in here 7600 level, and look how far the market's gone up in excess again of another 50 pips in that particular trade. So 3 trades kicking off there on the Monday. I mean, if you'd maximised it, you know, took as many pips as you could possibly take out of those trades, then you could have taken well in excess of 100 pips. But if you're going for your 2020s, then that's fair enough. If you're not going to be at the screen, then obviously you can take your 20 pips out of the market and be happy with that. Then on the Tuesday, we had another 3 trades kick off. That was the cable, the euro, and the Swissy. The cable trade was at 52.65. So that was this trade just here. Beautiful trade that one was, really nice, coming down for our 20 pips, no problem at all on that particular trade. Then we had a euro at 109.90. That was this particular level here. You can see early doors again, easily reaching our 20 pips on that particular trade there. And last but not least on that particular day was the dollar Swiss. The dollar Swiss on the 2nd of June. That was 93.90, yeah. So 93.90 on that particular day. 93.90 just here. You can see markets coming up really nicely off that particular level. Again, in excess of 20 pips also. So tallying this up, guys, you know, already Monday and Tuesday, we're looking 100 pips, you know, being made on those 2 days. On the Wednesday, we had one trade kickoff, which was the euro, which was at 12.75. Just to show you that particular level now, we're looking here. This was the level, 12.75, beautiful level, easily getting our 20-30 pips out of the market there. Lovely trade. So now coming on to yesterday's trades, we had a Kiwi, which is at 71.20. So this was the level just here, guys. We had 71.20. Just to show you this on the chart there. Really beautiful level. Look at that. Straight bang. Up 20 points, no problem at all. Then we had a euro level here. Now this isn't necessarily a trade that you would have been able to take, but it was a level that we gave on the trading floor. Now this is a 1.1187. Now it triggered very late in the evening, sort of 11-12 o'clock in the evening. So depending, if you're in obviously one of our Asian clients, then you would have been able to obviously be in your time zone, possibly taking this trade. But obviously if you're in GMT time, then it's going to be a little bit difficult. But I just want to show the example of how well the particular level worked in there, 1187, and just look at that. Yeah, just showing how good a level that particular was, in excess of 50, 60, 70 pips. The market rocketing up, obviously before our NFP results today. Now, obviously today being a very interesting day, is obviously the first Friday of every month we have non-farm payroll figures coming out. Now, with non-farm payroll figures, a lot of traders find it very difficult to trade this. Now, not here at Platinum. The reason being is we have a very specific strategy of how to trade non-farm payroll. Now, in order to show you this strategy, we're going to bring the trading floor up now. Now, let's just read this, guys. Okay, so it said how to trade the euro today on the NFP. So the expected figure for NFP is at 226. So the deviation figure is going to be plus 50 to minus 50. Now, this isn't always the same. It changes depending on the month and depending on sort of what fundamentals are coming out. We actually had to make some last minute changes last night to this particular figure for what the changes were this morning. We said if the actual figure of NFP is above 276 compared to the figure of 226, then we're going to sell the euro, okay, with a 25 pip stop. We also give the scenario on the yen. We said if the actual figure of the NFP is above 276 compared to the 226 figure, then we're going to buy the yen. Okay, so let's have a look what happened today on the euro. Very, very simple. The figure of NFP came out at 280, obviously above our 276 mark. What we're going to do, we're going to sell the euro, bang, down almost 200 pips. You know, incredible, incredible. Yeah, that's how accurate those figures are on the deviation levels. These are the strategies that we use here at Platinum with Trade NFP. Again, I mean, vice versa, showing the yen there for today. You can see, look at that, in excess of 70, 80, 90 pips movement on that particular trade, 110 in total. You know, if you had been there, you know, we even have the live institutional feed there. You've got the squawk box. Use it. You know, it's going to tell you your news results at that second as soon as they come out. So please use that information. Okay. But that was a recap of the entire week. You know, hundreds and hundreds of pips were on the table there to be made. Okay. Don't worry if you weren't able to take all of them. As long as you're able to take some of them, that's the main thing. Yeah. So like here at Platinum, you know, we're averaging a massive amount of pips each month. I mean, for any people out there who aren't already clients, if you're interested in having a look at what the system's all about, don't hesitate. Our numbers at the end of the video, it's in the description. We're offering sort of a complimentary consultation session, just where you get to have a chat with one of our traders, see if it's something that's going to be for you or not. Okay. If you're interested in that, please don't hesitate. Give us a call or an email. We're more than happy to reply back to those. But thank you very much for listening. I know it's a long video today, so thanks for slugging it out with me. I appreciate that. Enjoy the beautiful weekend, guys. The weather's been great, so get out there, get some barbecues going. And that was this week's trade of the day. Thank you very much.